Somewhere, let's go.
Dude, I just took off my glove. More better.
I was talking to Steve, not you.
I don't know if you're an audience. I'm gonna film this. This is pretty heavy. Look at that.
Yo,
Look at that shit.
You want to put a needle in that van or what?
No, I'll put a needle in this one.
So last weekend, the car ran good, but we noticed every time we got off track that the diff was binding. So you know the diff's binding, it's like you turn it, make a sharp turn, it'll clunk and skip the tires. I thought it was the rear diff at the track. We put it up in the air and we were like messing with the rear and we thought it was the rear diff. We changed the rear diff at the track. The next morning I went out and it seemed fine, came back in and it was clunking again. So I figured it's the center diff at that point. Well, I hope at this point. The center diff is a clutch type diff, and I believe that the clutches were getting hot and like just sticking. So it was basically making the car lock the front and rear wheels together. Like it wasn't letting them slip. So whenever you turn a car, the wheels spin at different rates, and you need that to like, that clutch will slip. So I didn't really notice the difference of time or performance of the car on the track, but I may this weekend with the new diff and it might be better. So basically what you do, I was able to do this with a tranny right in the car. So you just take the back housing off the transmission. This one loose. I stole it out of this transmission. You take all the linkage off, I take the cross member and the exhaust out of the way, and then you're able to just get this back housing off. There is another thing in here that's missing, but
that's this component right here.
Yeah, that's the output shaft. Then the diff comes out. This one's jammed, but this is what it looks like. This comes out of the tranny like this, it just pops out. And then this is like a diff, just basically like a diff that's in your rear end of your car. It works front and back instead of side to side. So this one sits this way, and you can see the spider gears in there. And there's clutches in here. And they
were saying there's a shaft in there that spins independently of the outer shaft, right?
Yeah, so there's shafts in there, and they spin independently of the outer shaft, so they spin at different rates. It lets it slip, like front to back. So basically we changed that, put it back together, it didn't take too long, and we'll see if it makes a difference on the track. As long as it doesn't clunk, I'll be happy with it. So, I don't know if you guys like what Noah did to my side skirts. He like modified this side skirt. Basically what you do is you ram the lift into it until it breaks, and it's like supposed to like help the way it looks by making the car look less expensive. But anyway, all we have left to do is I gotta change my brakes, and this car should be ready to rock. So we'll be at the track next weekend.
Don't forget to hit like and smash that subscribe button and ring the bell.
I hate that. It's so fucking stupid.